So what exactly do you get when you purchase an SCM minimax TW45C sliding shaper? Up front, you will find a high-quality cast hand wheel with a folding crank handle. Each 360-degree turn will yield 2 millimeters in elevation change. The TW45C is powered by a 4-horsepower single-phase braking motor featuring both forward and reverse rotation. By easily adjusting the ribbed belt, you can achieve spindle speeds of 4,200, 8,400, and 12,000 RPM. The spindle lock is a rod inserted into the lower pulley. The default for the braking motor is locked when stopped. The left control knob is to release the spindle and allow for the hand rotation of the spindle. The knob just under the sliding table to the right is the elevation lock. I am often asked what is projecting out from the side of the TW45C. It's an accessory holder. The 1.25" fixed spindle is extremely accurate, and I have to manually show you that yes, my dial indicator is working because the spindle runout is that low. On the sliding table, you will find a heavy-duty adjustable material hold down, the sliding table is both smooth and accurate. The fully adjustable angle fence has 2 material stops and a built-in backer for tenons, with both a standard and metric ruler. The angle fence has pin sets at 22.5, 30, 45, 60, and 0 degrees. Up top and center, you will find an adjustable guard and material hold down. It also flips out of the way. The fence has scaled adjustment. The cast top is dead flat and boasts a beautiful relief pattern that SCMI is known for. Included with this machine, you will get a manual, material pusher, spindle nut, spacers, and tool. We hope you enjoyed our quick walkthrough of this SCMI minimax TW45C shaper with sliding table. It's actually hard to believe this is an entry-level shaper. Then again, it's made with pride by SCM in Italy.